Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two amazing drones for kids that will surely bring joy and excitement to your little ones. Let's dive into the comparison of the Q9s drones for kids and the mini drone. Let's start with the price. The Q9s drones for kids is priced at just $49, while the mini drone comes in at $69. It's clear that the Q9s is the more budget-friendly option, making it a great choice for parents looking for an affordable drone for their kids. When it comes to design and durability, both drones have their unique features. The Q9s drones for kids is equipped with bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue lights, creating a stunning visual effect during flight. It also has a structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and protecting your kids from any potential injuries. On the other hand, the mini drone boasts a sleek design and comes with 4 propeller guards for added safety. Its 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera allows you to capture amazing aerial photos and videos, which can be easily shared on social media. Ease of use is always a crucial factor, especially when it comes to drones for kids. The Q9s drones for kids offers user-friendly features such as one-button takeoff, landing, and return, making it incredibly easy for beginners to operate. It also has 3 different speeds to accommodate both skilled players and beginners. The altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover automatically in the air, even without any controller input. Similarly, the mini drone is designed to be simple and intuitive. With the one-key start landing button, even young kids can easily fly this drone. It also offers 3 speed modes and altitude hold for better control and high-quality footage. Flight time is always a concern, as no one wants their fun to be cut short. The Q9s drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, providing double the flight time. This means your little ones can enjoy more extended playtime without interruptions. In comparison, the mini drone also offers a decent flying time of 18 to 21 minutes, thanks to its 2 rechargeable and powerful batteries. You can charge them safely and ensure longer flights for your kids. Finally, let's talk about the additional features that make these drones even more exciting. The Q9s drones for kids features 360-degree flips and auto-rotation functions, allowing your kids to perform impressive aerial tricks and have a blast while flying. On the other hand, the mini drone offers multiple fun flight modes including 3D flips and the ability to draw a unique flight path on your smartphone. It even supports voice gesture control, allowing you to control the drone with simple voice commands like fly or land. The Q9s drones for kids is praised for being user-friendly and having cool lights and program tricks. It is considered a great value for money and suitable for beginners. On the other hand, the mini drone is described as relaxing, easy to control, and providing amazing views from above. It is also recommended for beginners. Overall, both drones have positive reviews. And that concludes our comparison between the Q9s drones for kids and the mini drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your preferences and budget. Remember to consider factors like price, design, user-friendliness, flight time, and additional features when making your decision. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.